Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I will be showing you how I colored my hair I got from ITODAY Hair on Amazon. So this is a 22-inch closure wig, has a 4x4 closure. And first I'm actually going to color it using L'Oreal High Colors in the shade Intense Copper. Now, you'll be able to see as I go through here, I'm not really getting the pop of color that I wanted. So I'm actually going to go back over the hair doing a typical bleaching with some highlights and lowlights. And that's actually going to make the copper color that I put on first pop to the color that I wanted it to be. So you guys can just go ahead and watch this tutorial. And then after I do this color, we will get into the styling and the review of this hair. Hey Firebirds, welcome back. Today I literally have what I believe is the best virgin hair on Amazon. So my friends at ITODAY Beauty sent me over their brand new 4x4 closure wig that they have on Amazon. It's 22 inches. And let me just tell y'all, the hair is pure silk, okay? Pure silk. So it came in a natural 1B color. I'm gonna include a clip up in here somewhere. But it came in the natural 1B color in this very cute bag. Now this was inside of a pink bag as well. But I love their little drawstring bags. It's a plastic bag, but you can definitely keep it to store. Excuse me. Keep it to store your wigs in. So inside of your bag, you will have your wig inside of a plastic bag. I actually had on their other wig, So I just put it in this bag for storage. And the bag tells you the inches of the unit. The one they sent me is 22 inches. They also included some beautiful free eyelashes, which are really nice. They have like that kind of soft tapered look that I like, which is really nice. So I will be wearing those. And they also included some me colored stocking caps. Yay! Now, if you are not me colored, then you can also just take your makeup, whatever your foundation powder of choice is, and bam, you good to go. So, I'm going to show you the wig. I colored the wig. I wanted to do something really nice and soft for the spring, but I'm going to show you the construction of the cap. So here is your 4x4 closure. The knots on this wig are so tiny. The lace is awesome. Like, you get the little flap of lace in the back, 2 combs on the side, and your comb in the back. But here she is. And for her to go from straight up off black to this beautiful color, it's like, tell me. Tell me this color job isn't everything. I wanted to do some really soft crimps and just have like a really soft, natural look. And I feel like this wig is giving me just that. So the beauty of a 4x4 closure is that you can literally swing her around where you need to. And I set her up for a deep part. So I'm just gonna go in and show you how tiny these knots are. It's gonna make it so easy to blend. So we have cut off our lace. And my hair isn't cornrowed under here. It's literally like just in a French braid. But with units like this, it's literally throw it on and get out of the house. Just go, girl. Put it on and get out of the house. Go where you're going. I'm not even using any adhesive. No shedding. When I say no shedding, I mean no shedding. Like, I don't know who constructed this wig, what sorcery they used, but when I tell you, I have not gotten one strand of hair out of this wig, and that's after coloring it twice. The hair is still butter after coloring it twice, you guys. Like, and I really don't even want to just say like this is good hair for Amazon, because I feel like that's just not giving this hair the justice that it deserves. This is good hair, period. Guys, so I'm just gonna fluff this out because I don't like crimps flat. But just look at this. Does this look like hair that's been colored multiple times? No, it does not. So in front, we got right here. I would actually say this is probably a little bit longer than 22 inches because it falls at 22 inches with me styling it. I want to thank ITODAY Hair again for this gorgeous unit. If y'all don't get it, you straight tripping. You get it in 2 days. You can dye it. You can dye it. And it's so soft. True to length, great density. Like, why would you ever go somewhere else? Use that link below. Like, comment, and subscribe if that's your thing. I can't stop touching it.